This is the James River, the backbone of Virginia. It runs from the Blue Ridge Mountains all the way to the Chesapeake Bay and was the basis for this study. It posed us the question, how is water treated in Virginia? In creating the Sustainable James Project. Headed by Andrew Valensky, assisted with Matt Outland, Sarah Dawson, and overseen by Dr. Todd Lickingbill. Most people recognize their water use as turning on a faucet, washing some dishes, using a public water fountain, or washing your hands, perhaps even filling your swimming pool. But there's a lot more water being consumed by society almost unknowingly. The total amount of water used is called your water footprint, and this hidden water is called virtual water. The first component of the Sustainable James Project was to determine Virginia's agricultural supply side water footprint. And this all started by asking, how much water is in an apple? Well, it takes almost 40 gallons of water to grow a single apple, and Virginia produces almost 122,000 tons of apples. And for every ton of apple, you need 220,000 gallons of water, so Virginia requires 26 billion gallons of water per year. Dairy products need even more water, necessitating 67 gallons of water for every glass of milk. And Virginia produces almost 860,000 tons of dairy products at 23 million gallons per ton, for a footprint of almost 220 billion gallons of water per year. This process was done for Virginia's main produce for a total water footprint of 1.3 trillion gallons of water annually. In addition to the water footprint calculations, we also ran a water quality monitoring program at the University of Richmond. There, we looked at the relationship between storm events and nutrient runoff, which was determined through applied trigonometry. We found significant differences between nutrient concentration between base flow events and storm flow events. In addition, we also found a logarithmic trend between nutrient loading and precipitation intensity. The final component was the site's construction, which was used through HTML, CSS, Java, JavaScript, Git, and jQuery programming. The Sustainable James Project is built to be a multifaceted resource for the Commonwealth of Virginia to learn about Virginia's relationship to its water.